Okay, let's look at F major. I've got a couple ways of looking at this. I'm going to start with the most basic. This is called the F major mini chord. We begin by placing finger 1 so that it covers the first 2 strings on the first fret. You'll have to kind of flatten your finger out here. Your thumb at the back is kind of crucial as well. You want to have a nice grip. Next, you'll take finger 2 and place it on fret 2 of the 3rd string. And then lastly, I would go finger 3 on fret 3 of string number 4. When I strum this mini version of F major, I'm aiming to strum 4 strings only, like this. The full version of F major is a bar chord. I've got a video about bar chords, so check that out if you want to learn a little bit more. I'm going to go through the shape really quickly now though. Your finger 1 will cover all 6 strings. Yeah, I know, it's tough. It's gonna be a tough one if this is new. And then your finger 2 is going to go on string number 3, fret number 2. So count 1, 2, 3, and there it is, fret 2. Next, I like to use my 4th finger, my pinky finger, on string 4, fret number 3. And lastly, finger 3 goes on the string above, so that's string 5, fret number 3. And you're looking to press down as hard as you can, get your thumb involved at the back, a lot of strength through the hand and the wrist, and strum all the strings. If it sounds like this initially, don't worry. I think everyone I've ever taught has found F really tough. It's one of those practice little and often ones. You need to build the strength up in your hand. There's one final way I want to talk about that some people really love to play F like this. Some people can't do it, they hate it. It's the thumb technique. Some people think of Jimi Hendrix as someone who used this a lot, but tons of guitar players have used it. Essentially what you're doing is you're playing the first 2 strings with your first finger as like a bar. Often you can reach a little higher actually in case you want to make a minor keep the technique kind of future-proof. So that would be 3 strings, I guess. And then finger 2 is going to go on fret 2 of the 3rd string. Then you've got your pinky finger here, string 4, fret 3. Your 3rd finger on the string above, string 5, that's fret 3 as well. And you notice that nothing going on here on the thick string, and that's where your thumb comes in and wraps around. As I say, it's people who I've talked to about this before, they've either instantly it's something they really like, it's comfortable, or it just doesn't work for you. See what you think. Personally, I like to use a combination of that in some songs and that in other songs. It kind of just depends what the feel is, how much movement there is, things like that. Anyway, have a go. Good luck.